All right, we're gonna bring a heated cat house, and this one has instructions. They give you the instructions how to set it up. The heated mat, it's right here, including the actual flap that goes on the inside. So in case they want to come in and out and you don't want water or rain or anything to come in, this is how you do. Well protected. So if you have cats that bite stuff, this has metal. It's covered by metal, so you don't have to worry about electrifying them or anything. Including with the tools, the screws, and the actual legs that we're going to set up. So let's put it together and test it out. All right, just make sure that this is the inside, and you see the holes, they're ready for the actual screws, but just make sure that it goes inside and it has Velcro on every corner to tie it down. And the footing is where you actually, this is for the bottom of it, right? This is where the actual cable goes in and out, all right? Just be aware that it comes through here and the mat goes in here. Make sure you screw it on before you put the mat, all right? One important thing I forgot to mention, that you could take this mat and wash it, all right? Not the metal, not the actual mechanical and the heating part. It's just the sheet, the cover, right? And there's a zipper. So winter's here, and if you have a cat that may be having kitties or maybe outdoor animal, this is a small little house. It's perfect for dogs or cats, and plus it has the heating part of it. This is the cover that comes on top of it. Now if you ever want to look inside or clean inside, you go, it just is Velcro. That's pretty much it. It just Velcros throughout the whole house and it stays fixed. But in and out, it comes with this little door, plastic door. We're gonna put our cat in here, see how she likes it. All right, we're gonna put on the thermal camera and see how warm it gets in there. Crypto wants to get in there because it's nice and warm, but it's not for him. So let's experience that. All right, we're gonna do a thermal camera so you guys can see from a bird's eye view that right now we're looking at 80, and you can see how warm it gets in here. So it's about 80. That's pretty much the hottest it's gonna get, 80. So it's not bad. It's not over temperature. It's perfect enough for any cat or dog to come in here that fits in this little house. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.